right, so I have 4 functions. All right, they're all, first 2 are composites. H of x is, I'll talk about that in a second. The last one is kind of a composite also. But again, these all follow the power rules. And when you have individual portions, you can just do the individual terms because they are limits, and the limit laws allow us to do this, right? A derivative is a limit. So I look at 2x cubed, and the derivative of 2x cubed we know is 6x squared. We have learned that the derivative of sine x is cosine x, so the negative stays, and the derivative of sine is cosine. Boom. That is the answer to, that's the derivative of f of x. Likewise, on the second one, again, we have composite functions.
This is Aaron. Would you please dial extension 221?
And we know the derivative of tan is secant squared, so it's just secant squared x, minus, now we do the derivative of 4x to the fourth, which is 4x cubed. All right? F of x and g of x were composite functions, guys, right? They were both polynomials and trigs, okay, for names, right? Polynomial, trig. Trig, polynomial. The next one, if I had to have a name, I suppose you could call it a polynomial. But guys, this is a constant function. H of x equals 9 point something, right? It's just a line. So the derivative of that line is just 0. It is a constant number. On the last one, you could do the product rule, all right? And it will work. And the product rule, again, you'll have to know, and it has its places, but this is not one of them. F prime g plus g prime f. That is the product rule. We do not want to use it for y.
Quick question.
Yeah.
Why is it 4x cubed?
This is x to the fourth. Is that what you read, or did you read it as something else?
Well, I read it as x to the fourth, right? But I put down 4x.
Well, you got to take the power reduces by 1.
Okay.
Right? Now, on the last one, guys, you do not, I want to write this as x to the half times x to the 5 halves minus x, and then distribute and write y equals 1 half plus 5 halves is 6 halves, or x cubed, and then 1 half plus 1, I think, is x to the 3 halves. So now I just do the derivative of x cubed and x to the 3 halves, which again are simple power rules. So how about 3x squared minus 3 halves x to the half? And again, you know, if this is a multiple choice test, this could look like this, right? They could go back to the square root. But again, piecewise functions. I do not want you to do the product rule if you can distribute. Okay? We'll have our opportunity to use the product rule plenty. All right? So,
If it had both, or like, which one would we want to circle on multiple choice?
it wouldn't have both. Can't have both. It had to be one or the other. Otherwise, they're both right. There is no better answer.